Hello and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love to say things, and it is the Halloween time, which makes me very happy, makes my black heart jump with joy. Anyway, I hope you're having a great day or a day of your choice. Today I'm going to be doing a witchy look. Ooh, I like the netting. It looks so dramatic. In my fancy little witch's hat, the cats will go crazy for those feathers, so I will have to keep it out of their way. This netting's crazy. But I'm going to be doing a smoky look from the Jeffree Star Creamated palette. Something dark and brooding. And if you don't remember what it looks like, this is what it looks like. And I'm very excited today about doing a look with this palette because I haven't used it very much. That happens sometimes. And I'm going to get my little favorite paddle brush, which I use from Alter Ego, that I use to put things in my crease. But it's going to be a very dark, smoky look. I might swap out the neutral lip for something red and dramatic, but I just have this on for right now for fun. For funsies, if you will. I'm going to start in the crease with Life Insurance. Little kick up in the pan. But it's blending out fantastic. Fantastic. So are you going to dress up for Halloween? I don't dress up anymore, but me and my friends used to do very elaborate costumes and costume parties, and we just did some amazing things back in the proverbial day when things happened. It was the 80s and it was a very good time indeed. Let me blend that out a little more. That's much better. And this gives us a great base to start with. And I'm going to go along the lash line with Angel of Death. Or no, I should do like another darker gray, and then on the lid go totally dark. I think I'm going to go with I can't decide between Solemnly Swear and R.I.P. I think I'm going to go with Solemnly Swear. And I just cleaned this brush and it's still damp. And I didn't realize it. Oh well. It's going on nicely. Oh. Maybe not so nicely. Let me get this little blending brush. Soften it up a little. It's a little dark. We're not afraid of the dark now, are we? I'm not afraid of the dark, but I'll leave the bathroom light on just in case. It looks like two completely different eyes to me. But it's okay, because it's all gonna get darker and darker. It's fine. Go back into Life Insurance. Go up top of that a little bit. Alrighty, so let's get to the smoky smoke part. It's looking very lovely, I think. And we will go in with this It Cosmetics brush, which is a smudger. And we're going to go into Hearse. And then on top of Hearse, we're going to put one of these shimmery shades. Or maybe, no, I'm going to go with Angel of Death. I'm going to go with a glittery Yeah, that's the ticket. This is truly going on great. Very nice. Smoky eyes are easy peasy. I hear a little Ruby in the background somewhere, being cute. It's very lovely. Now, I'm going to put, definitely got to clean that brush. I'm going to put this fluffy brush in to pallbearer and go in the crease. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. To add that beautiful shimmer. I mean, this palette is, you know, there's other palettes that have blacks and stuff, but some of these shimmers, like this pallbearer, you just can't get anywhere else. Not the same quality. Oh, it's so beautiful. I forgot to go under my brow bone. I was just so excited about doing everything else. I'm going to go into Diamond Dashes under my brow bone. Once again, another Diamond Dashes is a great shimmer. There's definitely a kick up with that. Oh, but that's lovely. Now we need eyeliner. I know, as if it's not dark enough. We need eyeliner. Thank you, Jeffree. We are going to use the Stila black eyeliner. I know it almost seems redundant, but it does make a difference. Smoky. Mascara will be with Stila Huge Mascara. Looking awesome. I'm very happy with this look. And for once, if I got mascara on my eyeshadow, it wouldn't matter. All right. Let's go with dramatic with the lip. I'm just going to go over it with another color. This is Mile High by Gerard Cosmetics. I'm going to go deep with my Voyager from Super Matte Ink from Maybelline. And there we go. A smoky, witchy look. Let's do the netting down for Halloween. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.